Are you tired of paying your landlord's mortgage and seeing no direct benefit? Or perhaps you've been dreaming of installing a gourmet kitchen, but your rental agreement says otherwise. Imagine settling in a neighborhood where your kids can attend top-notch schools and form lifelong friendships. At Supreme Lending, we're not just here to finance your new home, but to enrich your life. My name is Tracy Schmidt, and I'm a licensed mortgage loan officer with over 25 years of experience guiding families through every step of the loan process. And here's how it works. Number one, we start with a simple conversation to understand your budget and overall situation. Number two, you'll fill out an application and provide a few income and asset documents. Number three, we'll review your recent credit profile, and if you qualify, we will discuss down payment and loan program options that suit your needs. Now, once we've gone through the numbers together and you're comfortable, we'll issue a pre-qualification letter to the realtor of your choice. And then the real fun begins. You can start shopping for your new home. So why wait? Start your journey to homeownership with the Schmidt team at Supreme Lending today. You can call or text me at 858-336-5200 or search the Schmidt Team Mortgages online and let us help you turn your home buying dream into a reality. I hope to hear from you soon.